Hey everybody, so it's time to unbox the Maker Box again, and this month it is not coming normal delivery, it is coming through a very special delivery, and it should be here any moment.
So that box you can actually throw because we're going to throw it to Fun King 3D.
Oh, that's right.
We're going to throw it all the way to Florida.
Are we? Okay.
So you got to throw it good.
Okay, here we go.
Wow, thanks, Joel.
Thanks, Joel.
Have fun with that, Glenn.
All right, so that intro apparently took so long that our box faded. The box that Joel drew to us was shiny, and now it sat here and it faded. You wanna cut that open?
Cut it. Oh.
The blade's not out, and you got to push it out quite a ways there. So for those of you who are wondering about the boxes did change. They're no longer a shiny black. They're a dull black, but the boxes are supposed to be more durable and better for the environment. They're more environmentally friendly.
Can I open it?
Yeah, but I want Zach. There's something very special in this box, and I know it's in there because I kind of helped make it happen, and I don't know why, but I told Xander ahead of time. But Zach has no idea what's in this box, so I want to see his reaction to it.
Oh, it's hidden.
Well, I didn't really think it would be right on the top. At least I think it's in this box. It's supposed to be in this box. All right, so we got our coupon codes and.
Yeah, it's in there. It's in there.
So also, so everybody knows, there are now new options for the Maker Box. There are 2 different Maker Boxes that you can get, and this says starting on 11/24, you'll be able to choose from. Oh, actually, 3 different options.
Wait.
The current plan will be renamed to the Explorers plan and will remain $19. A new plan will be added called the Easy plan, which will be all easy to print materials, and that will be $16. And another new option will be added called the Everything plan, which combines the easy one with the current one, which is the Explorers, for a discounted price of $30. So, and if you want to get a Maker Box, there's a link in the description below.
And when they change the outside of the box, they change the inside as well. Like there's a printed solid right there, and then there's another thing right there.
More info on full spools at extrudingknowledge.com. Awesome. So, and for those of you guys that don't know, if you sign up for the Maker Box and you refer 3 friends, you get a free Maker Box. So, all right, so we got a U.S. Filament sticker in here.
Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that.
Get the other camera over here and get ready. What do we got here? We
got
a I have a 3D printer. What is your superpower sticker? Which is just like my my printed solid T-shirt that I have.
Okay. Sorry.
So, hang on.
Wait.
Go ahead. You can take those out. You can take those out.
Take the hairball out.
Hairballs. What else you see in that box? What is that?
Put it back in the box.
So for you guys that got the box this month, you get one of our Fun King 3D stickers. Matt was kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if we wanted to include a sticker in the box. And what's crazy is I have not seen this sticker yet. This is a first for me because it was a different company that I ordered these from, and they're actually they're nice. They're nice stickers. So you guys enjoy your Fun King 3D.
I thought they were gonna look different.
Different than the other stickers?
Yeah.
I didn't want to do that because I like consistency. I like branding. So, just the way it is. All right, so now we'll get into the filaments. So that's a lot of stickers. That's 3 stickers this month.
Yeah, 3
So,
stickers.
All right, you want to read this one?
No, that's a lot.
They're all a lot
That's
now.
also a lot.
Wow, ooh, this is
Darn it, printed solid. Oh.
This is Cheetah by Ninja Tech. This is a hot end temperature of 230 to 240 degrees. Bed temperature of room to I can't read it. It is printed over the top of the Instagram logo. But it starts with a 4, so maybe 40 degrees. Because I can't imagine a 400-degree bed, but definitely going to have to look into that. A speed of 30 to 45 millimeters a second, and fan at 100%. Glue stick or blue tape do not print on PEI without coating. You will not get it out. You will tear up your PEI sheet. Cheetah flexible filament is the fastest and easiest to print flexible filament on the market. The focus in development of this material was on optimizing the user experience. The result is a filament that is printable across all types of desktop 3D printers at ABS and PLA speeds, many times twice the speed of other flexible materials on the market. We haven't printed anything flexible yet.
Nope.
So, this is a good opportunity to do so. Cheetah filament possesses industry-leading durability along with impact strength, 84% greater than ABS. The abrasion resistance is also second only to Ninja Tech's Armadillo product, making Cheetah the perfect blend of speed, toughness, and strength.
Ooh.
Shot of that label. And again, that's Ninja Tech.
I'll read this one.
All right, go ahead.
This one is U.S. monofilaments. It is PLA high heat maroon. The hot end temperature is 190 to 230. The bed temperature is room temperature to 50. The speed is 30 to 70 millimeters per second. And the fan is at 100%. 50% extra this month per pure U.S. made high quality nature works in Geo?
Works Indio.
3D850 PLA with no added colorants, more flexible and durable than standard PLA. Can also be annealed at 80 to 130 for improved temperature resistance.
Another one that can be annealed. All right, so here is that. It says maroon, but it's I don't know. It's kind of almost like a clay reddish brown. So that'll be interesting to see how that prints.
It's Fiber Force.
Are you reading that one?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, well let me read this one then.
I will.
We have to take turns.
Okay.
All right, so this is carbon fiber extreme black PETG. Oh, that's exciting. That's carbon fiber. We had another carbon fiber PETG.
Sure.
Hot end temperature of 240 to 265, so then a little bit on the high side there. Bed temperature of 60 to 74 degrees Celsius, and that's 74. That's pretty specific. Speed not listed. Fan off or low. May be abrasive. Considered hardened nozzle. A PETG blend with a carbon fiber fill. Prints with a deep black, slightly textured surface and no transparency. Filament and parts are not brittle like some other CF products. Excellent for professional looking technical prints. Engineering grade PETG resin with USA made premium milled carbon fiber, not powder or dust. Interesting. We will put that up there, and if you are observant, there might be some information on this sticker that is very beneficial to you. There's a coupon code on there. All right, what do you got?
This is Fiber Force, Italy. It is Fiber X
Copolyester.
Copolyester white. The hot end temperature is 230 to 240. The bed temperature is room to 70 plus glue stick. The speed is 65 to 75 millimeters per second. Fusion X is a filament that combines the functionality of ABS with a strong resistance and durability for fantastic results. It is extremely easy to print with excellent adhesion, no smell, and no wrapping.
Wrapping? Warping.
Warping.
This will not wrap.
I can't read.
And there's the There's the label for that one. So that's
Wait,
interesting.
That one has a coupon code on it?
No.
Oh.
No. Combines the functionality of ABS with strong resistance and durability. So that'll be a fun one too. What is? Oh, that's two. I thought that was one big sticker. I didn't see that sticker come through. So that's our 4 filaments for this month, and it's exciting. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you got this month's box, it was worth every penny. Just
Oh, you took the butterfly's wings
just
off.
for that sticker right there. The elusive, hard to get your hands on Fun King 3D
It's not
sticker.
that difficult. No.
Shh, I'm trying to make it seem more rare.
Oh.
Very powerful, very rare.
So, what? Not for you. Not for you.
No. eat the
So I'm
butterfly.
very pleased to see those. It's very exciting to be in the Maker Box. You know, we're big fans of the Maker Box, and it's cool to have been included in that. So thank you, Printed Solid, for that. You got anything?
No.
You got anything? Oh, that's right. If you like what we're doing, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. It's one of the reasons we keep Zach around, is to keep us in line. If you want to get your own Maker Box, and if you don't get it, at least give it a try. It is a wonderful way to try some new filaments, and now with the different options, you can kind of pick and choose based on your printer capability and your printing capability. So it just keeps getting better and better. But there is a link in the description below to get a box, and that is a non-affiliate link. But there is also a coupon code down there to get you a discount on your first box. Give it a try. It's really fun. I love the surprise element of it. If you guys did not see Joel Telling's video about the making of Maker Box,
I'm really good at taping boxes.
Yeah.
I will have a link to that in the description below as well. It is the other half of our intro, and it was fun to watch. I did have to turn it off at the end because they were spoiling the December box, so I had to.
Which is not right.
Well, they warned you, and
I
then they
know,
said if
but
you don't
still.
want to know, turn it off, and
I know,
did.
but still, that's not right. To do
So
that.
that's bad for retention, I guess. But so thank you all for tuning in, and we will see you next month on the Maker Box or in between for something else. And as always, print on.